about shut up while I'm talking, right? I asked you a fucking yes or no question. All right.
Man, I'm not even interested to be questioned.
What is this? What is this? This evidence thing. What is the evidence that he thinks that there is for the existence of God? Did he ever say what that was?
That's a good question, Jack. Do you want to answer that, Johnny?
Caterpillar.
Yeah, you can look
I
at
could
the
answer
world
it,
around you. You can look in the mirror. I mean, it's abundant.
Yeah, so just explain to me how the God hypothesis predicts what exactly? How does it predict it, and what is it that's observed?
What do you mean, how does a God hypothesis predict it? What are you talking about?
I just take it that evidence is what's expected on a hypothesis, right? So that means there's going to be some predictive relation between the hypothesis and the evidence. Is that how you're
I don't
understanding?
understand what you're talking about.
Well, you tell me what you think evidence means.
Well, evidence is that which gives an appearance, something that indicates. These are both definitions of evidence.
Yeah, so could something be evidence for X if X doesn't increase the probability of that thing?
Well, I mean, I guess so, but you're asking me what about the evidence? I just explained it to you.
Yeah, so just give me an example. Take me through the reasoning here, right? 'Cause I take it you think that the existence of God is supported by some kind of inference. Is that right?
Well, I don't say it really is an inference. I see it as an axiom. I mean, look at the world around you. It reflects engineering.
Wait.
You don't have an excuse to be an atheist.
You
may say you do. I don't buy it.
Wait. If it's an axiom, why are you talking about evidence?
Well, because it's obvious.
What are you talking about? Do you understand what an axiom is?
Yeah, something that is obvious.
The idea is that an axiom is something that's not going to be supported, right? It's something we take to be basic, right? So if you start from the assumption that God exists, right, then there's no reasoning to God existing, right? You're already there, right? So what we're asking is, for those of us who don't accept the assumption, right, what's the justification for why we should?
I don't necessarily say you should do anything. I'm not trying to persuade you to believe that there is.
When I'm talking about
really
shoulds,
tell a person what they ought to do.
When I speak of shoulds, right, I'm talking about what is rationally required. You were saying that it's irrational to reject the evidence, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty accurate.
Yeah. So I want you to take me through the reasoning that justifies the proposition, right? God exists, right? Take me through that reasoning.
So you need me to hold your hand and show you?
I'm asking you for the inference. Is there an inference that supports that claim or not?
Yeah. Do you want me to try to explain?
There is an inference. Okay. So take me through the inference, please.
Do you want me to explain?
I'm asking you for the inference. Why do you keep asking me questions? Just give me the fucking inference, right? You're saying, listen, stop over talking me and listen to what I'm saying. Okay, I'm getting tired of your bullshit.
Well, you can stay
shut up while I'm talking. Okay, shut up while I'm talking. Okay, I've asked you multiple times now. You've said that it's irrational, right, for atheists to reject the abundant evidence for the existence of God or something like that. Right? I asked you if you think there's an inference that supports it. You said yes, right? So I'm asking you to give me the fucking inference. Don't ask me any fucking questions, right? Just give me the fucking inference. I'm trying to understand the reasoning that supports the claim. Don't ask me, do you want me to hold your hand and take you through it? Just give me the fucking inference. What's the inference?
No, you do not have an excuse to not believe. I'm not going to hold your hand.
Why are we listening to this guy? Why would you even talk to a sub-grade zero moron like this? I mean, the guy can't give a fucking argument for anything that he says, right? Why would you even have him on the stage? What is wrong with you people?
Ask Tom Rabbit and Delano, like all the mods here, that question. Did you get that, Tom Rabbit? And Clubhouse Debates?
Game over.